Hi, I'm Irene. I work at SofTap Inc. I am the educational director and the lead chemical engineer for this company. I've been full-time since 2010, part-time since about 2004. How did I get into SofTap? I was born into SofTap. I've been doing SofTap ever since I could walk, basically. I was trained officially doing SofTap when I was 18 years old. I worked part-time through college, and when I graduated at the age of 21 in chemical engineering, I decided to come work with my mom, and I loved it so much that I never left. I enjoy seeing things click in my students' brains when finally they've practiced and practiced and practiced, and then bam, all of a sudden it's there. The knowledge is there and nobody can take that away from them. And I know I've given them something so valuable that they'll be able to use for the rest of their careers. I have a book on bloodborne pathogens training that I co-authored with Alexis Lawson and Athena. It is an awesome book. It's full of great illustrations and really great technical advice for bloodborne pathogens training. I have so many, it's really difficult to isolate one, but one of my favorites was seeing the people come from SofTap Japan back in 2007, 2008, and 2009, and it was their first time in the US and they had never experienced anything like it before, so they were always taking pictures of everything and smiling and laughing and so enthusiastic and just so fresh about everything. And I'll never forget that skill that they demonstrated during their class, or the experience and the wonderful time that they had, and how easy it was for them to learn and perform under those conditions. I've seen a lot of things, and I've seen a lot of good things, interesting things, trying things, but the thing that makes me the happiest about permanent makeup is the clients. And that is because we do such a wonderful service for them. If you're able to do a gorgeous set of eyebrows on a client, then they don't have to wake up as early in the morning. They don't have to spend as much time drawing on their eyebrows and seeing the symmetry and the perfect color and just how ecstatic that makes them. That's probably my favorite thing about it.